Great. Good afternoon, Zurich, and good morning, Stanford. My name is Aldo Lamberti, and we at Syntheticus envision a world where data can be shared and analyzed easily, but without compromising the fundamental rights of privacy. And why is this important? Well, data is the world's most valuable resource, but actually its full potential is not unlocked. Take into consideration that out of the world's data, only 1% is really analyzed. So let me guide you through one of the concrete pilot projects that we're currently working on. All right, so we have Ben. He's the head of data at a Swiss hospital, and obviously he handles a lot of very sensitive data, patient data, our health data, and obviously he has also a lot of data about that, and he would love to get some insights about it, very needed insights in a fast and easy way. So he would like to share that sensitive data with Anna, who's a researcher maybe at the ETH or at the University of Zurich or wherever. However, there are a lot of barriers in there. There are IT silos, there are privacy regulations, there are compliance, legal and compliance, internal but also external, that actually hinder Ben to easily share that sensitive data with Anna. And in this specific case, just an easy contract setup between the hospital and the research institutes takes more than 6 months. And so when we're talking about patient data and health data, every second counts. So the solution for that is synthetic data. In that sense, we enable Ben to generate synthetic data out of his original very sensitive data so that he can easily share his synthetic data with Anna so that she gets the synthetic data, she runs her analysis on the synthetic data and sends back those valuable insights. And that can be very much faster than those contract setups. And in this case, we help Ben at the Swiss hospital really to save lives in a fast way. So the technology that we're using is a combination between generative AI, GANs, and differential privacy, which are within the field of the emerging privacy-enhancing technologies. And we developed a user-friendly solution so that Ben and Anna can leverage the unique power of those together. Yeah, so thank you very much, and very much look forward to hearing some questions from you or afterwards. Thanks.